send you activities, right? We are hoping to do how to order, you are going on a trip. You are the chief organizer in students' side. So you have to find a good place where that let's say you have 30 people, 30 people can be accommodated for lunch, right? Okay, so that is that one thing. Other one, we actually, I think Jehani and Chamiti's school, they faced a very sad incident, that a boy drowning in a pool, right? So we hope, I will tell an incident, you have to retell that incident. That's a fluency, to improve your fluency. First activity, to improve your personality. Improve your personality. And next one is I hope to discuss the language skills, and then activity number 5 is kids reading, and then biodata, making a biodata, right? Okay, right. Until others join, let's have a little chit chat. Now, when is your term test, Chamiti?
I think it's in December.
It's in December, right? Okay, good. Damsari, what about your term test?
I think it will be held in
I think
December.
okay, in December, right? Okay. Hi, Sachet. Sachet, how about the rain in Homagama or Maharagama? Sachet, can you hear me? Okay, Chameli joined. Hi, Chameli. And is it raining there, Chameli? And Shamil, I couldn't hear you. Then we have to get Kitnuli, Jitum came, Javindu, and Navindu, Sandaru. Right. Okay, I think we can start now. I think others, maybe others, they're experiencing rain. Okay, right, let's start. Okay, first activity is you have to do like with your partner, right? Let me get a paper. Okay. Let's do partners. Shamiti and Jahani. Chameli and Sandaru. No. Chameli and myself. Jitum and myself. Sachet and myself. Damsari and Sandaru. And Chameli and myself, right? Okay, those are the partners. Jehani, Chamiti. Okay, Chameli and go with Kitnuli. Chameli and, okay, like this there. Jehani, partners are Jehani Chamiti. Kitnuli Damsari. Right. Next one, Chameli Javindu. Sachet and myself, Chitum and myself, Sandaru and myself. Right? Okay. Let's start. Now, what you have to do is internet, you find a place, a good place. Right? Your school has organized a trip to Colombo. Right? Your school has organized a trip to Colombo. So there can be like, let's say 100 people, 100 students. So you have to organize the lunch. You have to find a place and make a reservation. So when you make a reservation for about, there can be about 150 students, right? Or 150 to 200 students. So you have to find a place. What type of things should you consider when you like, okay, about, let's say, let's take 30 students in a class, then 13 to 5 classes, about 150. Let's take 150 students, right? So you have to find a good place to organize lunch, and lunch will be a good one, right? So you have to find a good restaurant. Your school actually giving you a good treat, right? Your school is going to give you a good treat and giving you by giving you a good lunch at a good restaurant. So you have to find a restaurant and you can use that name and call your partner, ask, right? You have to think of certain things. What type of things should you consider when you organize a lunch? When you reserve a place for about 150 students, what type of things should you consider? What type of facts? Yes? You are going to organize that. What type of things should you consider?
Drinking water.
Drinking water, yes. Those are you all are school children, so drinking water should be very clean, right? And next one,
Quality of food.
quality of food. Yes, quality of food. Other fact, what are other things? Whether the place can accommodate 150 students. Whenever we are doing that activity one, I'm just describing how to do the activity, right? We are going to make a reservation at a restaurant for about 150 students who are coming to Colombo on a tour, right? Okay. So whether the place is big enough for 150 students and whether seating facilities are available. First, whether the restaurant is big enough to accommodate 150 students and the cost of the lunch, right? Cost of the lunch. Then, because it's whether you can afford it, and the quality of food, quality of the drinking water, whether the seating facilities are available, bathroom facilities are available. Those are the things you should consider. when you are taking a large crowd. Okay. So you can find a place, or else you can just do a research online what kind of place is suitable, right? So this is just to make you practical, make you build up your personality to organize something and train you to find something suitable, organize something. You can do a small research. I'll give you 10 minutes. Find a good restaurant or good hotel or a place where you can have lunch, right? 450 students. Just online research, right? Online survey, online research, right? And then you have to do partners. Jehani and Chamiti. Chamiti will be the hotel staff. Jehani is the customer, right? Kitnuli is the customer. Damsar is the hotel staff. Okay. Chameli, you are the customer. Javindu is hotel staff. Sachet, you are the customer. I'm the hotel staff. Jitum, you are the customer. I'm hotel staff. Then I will combine Sandaru and Senara, right? Senara is the customer. Sandaru is the hotel staff. Okay. So you have to ask certain things. Now, what, like, I will present it by myself and show you how to do it, right? So the customer calls, hello, is this restaurant number 1? Oh. And the hotel staff says, yes, ma'am, how can I help you? And I'm Petra Alexander calling from Royal College. We have organized a trip to Colombo on 20th October. So there are about 150. There are 150 students and 5 staff members and 5 drivers. So altogether there will be 170 people for lunch. I was looking for a place to have lunch, and I think your restaurant is the best option. So would you be able to accommodate 150 students, 170 people for lunch? Then the restaurant staff says, yes, ma'am, we have seating facilities and we have facilities for 170 people. And then the customer asks, what kind of options would you have for lunch? What kind of options? Like rice and curry, fried rice and devil chicken, or some European dishes, Indian dishes, like that, right? So then the hotel staff can say, yes, rice and curry, and also we have fried rice, devil chicken, and we have the menu available online. You can go through the menu. You can simply say that our menu is available online. You can simply go through it, right? And then the customer will say, okay, we'll go for rice and curry option, which is the easiest. And say how much is for one person, right? And then the hotel staff say something, right? 1,000 rupees or 2,000 rupees or something like that. And then the hotel staff, then the customer will say whether any discount, since this is a large crowd, whether any discounts applicable, right? And the hotel staff can say it's not, or you can't have discounts, or you will check with the manager to give you a discount, right? And then we can say, then the hotel staff can ask what time will you be coming, the arrival time, and like that. And the customer can ask about desserts and things also. And then you can make a reservation under your name, right? And the hotel staff can ask to make a payment online. Then you can confirm, right? Okay. Did you understand how to do it?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Chamiti? Senara?
Yes, teacher.
Senara?
Yes, teacher.
Chameli? Chameli? Javindu?
Yes, teacher.
Kitnuli?
Yes, teacher.
Sandaru? Jitum? Sachet?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Damsari?
Yes, teacher.
Okay, right. I'll give you 10 minutes because you have to get yourself prepared. If you want any help, you can ask me. And you can tell me your choice of the restaurant. So the partners are Jehani Chamiti. Jehani will be the customer. Chamiti will be the hotel staff. Kitnuli and Damsari. Kitnuli will be the customer. Damsari is the hotel staff. Chameli and Javindu. Chameli is the customer. Javindu is the hotel staff. Sachet and myself. Sachet, you are the customer. Jitum and myself. Jitum is the customer. Sandaru and Senara. Senara is the customer. Sandaru is the hotel staff. Right. Shall we start? So now here you have to be prepared to answer. There's hotel staff. For the customer, it's okay. Hotel staff should be prepared. The difficult part is, I think, for hotel staff because they should be prepared to answer any question given by the customer. Sachet, are you ready? Okay, let's get individuals first, right? With me. Others can still. Okay, let's get Sachet. Jitu. Okay, next one, Jitu. Jitu, which one did you choose? Which restaurant did you choose? Jitu? Jitu, now enough. Like, okay, let's now you have to do it with me. So, okay, Jitu, unmute your mic. Sachin, unmute your mic, please. Okay, next then, you take your responsibility, please. If you don't unmute your mic and speak, you will never be able to speak. This is the class. This is not a test, right? I want to train you to speak. Okay, then let's get Jehani and Chamiti first. Okay. Chamiti, which restaurant did you choose? Were you able to find a good restaurant?
Yes, teacher. Its name is Big Plate.
Big Plate. Okay, good. Right. Good. Jehani?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Did you find a good place?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. What's the name of the restaurant? Oh,
Sunrise Cafe.
Sunrise Cafe. Okay, right. Good. Okay, now you can do Jehani and Chamiti, you can do you.
Good morning. Am I speaking to the manager of the Big Plate Cafe?
Yes, hello. Thank you for calling. This is Big Plate. How can I help you?
I'm Mr. Pereira from Wichita Central College, and we have organized a school trip to Colombo on Friday, 25th October, and we would like to reserve your cafe for breakfast.
Okay. Can you please tell me some details about the number of students and the number of teachers?
Yeah, sure. There will be 42 students and 4 teachers, so a total of 46 people will be joining the trip.
Okay. And what time would you like to arrive?
Around 8 a.m. Because we will be leaving in Mater early.
Okay. Do you have any special request or anything for the breakfast menu?
Yes, we would prefer traditional Sri Lankan breakfast with items like milk rice, string poppers, dal curry, posambol, and or tea or coffee. And a few students are allergic to lactose, so if you could have some non-dairy options for drinks, that would be appreciated.
I'm so sorry about that. We don't have any traditional foods in here. We have fried rice, noodles, and some chicken fries.
Oh, it's okay. Uh, that's perfect.
Okay, I will arrange everything on that day. And could you please provide your email address?
Yeah, well, and thank you. Then see you soon.
You are welcome, and we look forward to seeing you and the students.
Okay.
Right, good. Only thing, Jahani looked at the paper and spoke. That was a bit minus point. I want you to speak directly, not looking at a paper, because then you're concentrating on a paper. You can write the basic things on a piece of paper in case you forget, but you want to talk to the you can't when you speak in general, you can't speak while looking at a paper, right? So I want you to speak without a paper, right? Okay, that's one minus point. Chamiti was good how she handled the conversation. Okay, then Jahani, when you ask like we have, okay, I'm Mr. Pereira. No, say we don't call ourselves Mr. I'm Pereira, okay, or I'm Jahani. I'm Jahani from Central College, and just do an introduction. Our 150 students, 170 students, or 150 students plus 5 staff members and 5 drivers are coming on a trip to Colombo. So we have chosen your place to have the breakfast. And then you can ask whether you have to ask whether it's possible, right? And tell the date, 20th October, this date, and whether it's possible, whether you have any other bookings, whether it's possible, right? Then the hotel staff will say yes or no, probably yes. So then you can ask, like how you handle your conversation. You can ask for the options, or the hotel staff ask for the preferences. Then you can carry on, right? Okay. And make sure you make the conversation right. Make sure, ask for a payment or make a reservation, right? Ask for the name and make a reservation, right? That's also important. And ask for the prices, right? Prices, the choice, and the facilities, and the payment. Those are the main points, right? Okay. Then I go to, yes, Sachet, are you okay to do it with me? Sachet?
Yes,
Yes, okay, right. You are the customer, right?
yes, I know.
Which
Yes,
place did you choose? Which restaurant did you choose? Sachet? Okay, then I'll go to Jitum. Are you ready?
wait.
Yeah, yes, Sachet. Okay, keep your mic unmuted. Right. Okay, which restaurant did you choose, Sachet? I go to Kitnali and Damsari. Kitnali and Damsari. Kitnali, which place did you choose?
Hotel Big Plate.
Okay. Damsari, what's the restaurant did you choose? What's the restaurant you chose? Damsari?